Alright, hello, my wonderful students. This is the last part of foldable number 4. It's also the last part of section 4.1 to my knowledge, unless I messed up and skipped something. So for this one, once again, we're just going to double check that our x's are in the right order and they have the same difference before we can go ahead and use our y's. But if you see here, if I had -2 and I add 1, it'll give me -1. -1 adding 1 would give me 0. 0 adding 1 would give me 1. And 1 adding 1 would give me a 2, which is perfect. Then we can go ahead and use our y's to do this. So once again, we're just going to go ahead and set this up. So we have our 6 minus our 52. This would give us a -46. -46. Then we have our 2 minus 6. What a big difference, right? Using 52 and then two smaller numbers. This will give us a -4. We have a 4 minus 2, which will give us a 2. And we have a 48 minus 4, which gives us a 42. 42. This is our first difference. All right, we're going to go ahead and go again. We have this. We have a -4 minus a -46, making this positive 46. This would be equal to a positive 42. We have a 2 minus a -4 would be equal to positive, which is 6. We have a 42 minus 2, and this would end up being 40. This is our second degree, our second difference. Once again, these numbers are not the same, so we got to keep going. So now we have a 6 minus a 42, which gives us a -36. Yep. And then we have this one here, which is 40 minus 6, which gives us a 34. This is our third difference. And once again, we have, since these are not the same, we got to keep going. Probably end up checking my math for a second to make sure I didn't do anything wrong. And then I will double check this, but I think this is going to be when we have the last one, which would be a 34 minus a -36. Positive will give us a 70. So this should be of the fourth degree, but let me double check real quick. Oh, I found my error. So I did 48 minus 4 and I put 42, but it's actually 44. So this is going to change here. So some of this is going to be a little off. So we're just going to go, I'm going to go ahead and fix it real quick. That means it would be 44 minus 2 would be 42 here. And then it would be 44 minus 2, 42. And then it would be 42 minus 6 gives us a 36. And then we'd have a 6 minus 42. It's still the same thing because it still gives us a negative, and these are not the same. So this would actually, but this would change the bottom number. It would be 36 minus a negative, so this would end up being 72. So still end up being 72. So because of that, this is going to be the degree, because it ends up being to the end. So we know this is the degree of the polynomial function is 4.